Sina-challenge ka namin para matapos na tayo. Malaman na ng taong bayan kung talaga bang may kakayahan tayong idependa. Senator Amy ay nagsagawa ng investigasyon. At doon natuklasan niya na hindi ka nais-nais yung pagpapalakad mo sa gobyerno.
I think so because
ano ba nangyari dyan? Parang walang proper verification, sinalang siya sa presko, nagsalita siya, ngayon linalaglag ng lahat. Anong klase yun?
Ito nga mga kababayan, bago natin ituloy ang video na ito, kung bago ka lang sa aking YouTube channel baka pwede makahingi ng like at subscribe at click mo na rin ang notification bell para updated ka sa aking nilalabas na bagong video. Salamat po.
At the end of that, sinaktan ang ating mga kababayan, mga sundalo, gigirahin mo na sila. Pero, bakit bumahag yung puwet mo? Bakit bumahag yung buntot mo? Sina-challenge ka namin para matapos na tayo. Malaman na ng taong bayan kung talaga bang may kakayahan tayong idepensa. Kasi sinasabi mo, mayroon tayong isang bansa na pinagkukunan natin ng lakas. At mayroon tayong tinatawag na Mutual Defense Treaty at sinasabi ng mga taong ito ay mayroon tayong ironclad. Yung parang napakalakas na armor ng made of steel na kailangan ng welding para
Hindi lang taga sa bato, taga sa bakal
na pag-uugnayan. Para makita natin kung talaga bang sasakluluhan tayo. Bakit ka umatras? Bakit ka umatras? At ang lumabas pa, nagkakalukuhan pa doon sa pagsabi sa publiko kung ano talagang nangyari. Kaya ang iyong butihing kapatid, Mr. Marcos, si Madam Senator Amy ay nagsagawa ng investigasyon. At doon natuklasan niya na hindi ka nais-nais yung pagpapalakad mo sa gobyerno. Yung mga tao mo, yung executive secretary at ang defense secretary mo ay salungat ang sinasabi. At lalong nababahala ang publiko kung ano ba talaga ang katunayan dito at ano ba talagang kakayahan mo na gampanan ang isang maayos na gobyerno. Paring Ado. Ito.
Para kasing nawawala ka pagka nagkakaroon ng nagkakaroon ng kontrobersiya na kailangan ng Pangulo. Kaya ang tanong ng tao, nasaan ang Pangulo?
At may kakayahan ba ang Pangulo? Kasi nalilito ang tao kung sinong papaniwalaan. Ito po ang nangyari dito sa investigasyon na ginawa ni Ginang Amy Marcos.
Medyo nalilito ang lahat kasi nung una ang sinabi ni Senator binanggit na rin ni Senator Ontiveros, pero ang una sinabi ni Secretary Teodoro na itong Ayungin incident it was a true obstacle to the peace and the stability in the South China Sea. General Browner proceeded to say that this was tantamount to an act of piracy. However, last Friday, Executive Secretary Bersamin labeled the matter as a mere accident or misunderstanding. And then less than 48 hours later, Secretary Teodoro again said this is not an accident. Are we flip-flopping with the characterization of what occurred? It seems fairly clear from what we heard from our Navy and our Coast Guard what occurred, what exactly occurred, and how do we term it? Kasi hindi rin kami nakakaintindi at litong-lito na ang mamayang Pilipino sa naririnig na parang paiba-iba naman ata tayo. Secretary Teodoro.
Thank you very much for the opportunity. The executive secretary was interviewed on the aftermath of the the second National Maritime.
Gibo, that was 5 days after the incident.
Yes, ma'am.
And it can hardly be a preliminary assessment 5 days after.
At that time, ma'am.
5 araw nakalipas.
As of
Nasabi na ni General Browner, piracy to. So he was
because,
able
ma'am,
to
it's
conclude that. Why did the E.S. Bersamin conclude something completely
No, he
different?
did not conclude, ma'am. If you notice, being a Chief Justice, he used the terms probably, and he wanted to make sure of his facts.
I think there was no probably
There
about
was, ma'am.
the mere misunderstanding or accident.
No, ma'am,
Walang
I think
probably
there was
yun.
probably, if we review the transcript, and he was asked about whether or not it was considered an armed attack, and somehow it was. In answering that question, he said it was probably even a misunderstanding or what.
I'll have to review the same, but
I distinctly recall, ma'am. I think
is that so?
yes, ma'am. I think the staff can check the record of the transcript.
Regardless, it gave the impression that you were downplaying the incident following the meeting of the National Maritime
No.
Council. Kaya nalilito po tayo kasi nung umpisa, pirata na to. At saka talagang aggressive and illegal act of attack, ano? Pagkatapos noon, naging misunderstanding na lang.
No, after that, ma'am.
So,
we have
medyo
to-
nahihilo na kami. Hindi na namin
Hindi,
alam
ma'am.
paano ipaliwanag to eh.
Dating Chief Justice po si ES, sigurado po siya dapat sa facts niya bago yun ho ang disiplina niya, yun ho ang training niya. Now, before po this
5 days after the National Security Council, the DND didn't have
Well,
enough
ma'am, for the
information.
No, for 2 to 3 days, ma'am, we were...
The former Chief Justice?
No, ma'am, it was the first time that we had met. As a matter of fact, during the incident, the Chief of Staff and I were in Korea to launch the 2 ships that are going to be delivered. So we had to hurry home and get stock of the situation because right now, ma'am, we're really implementing the area command concept where the primary decision maker will be the area commander.
I'm a little confused because 5 days later, there wasn't sufficient information. But General Browner already told us, talagang lumaban mga Pilipino with their bare hands. I distinctly recall that. This was before the National Maritime meeting. Are we saying that nobody from NMC, DND, and SA bothered to ask General Browner?
No, there were,
Anong
ma'am.
ibig sabihin niya nun?
We did, but in the NMC meeting, these were one of the agenda items, and the rest of the agenda items were the recommendations to the president. But even before this, the president had already scheduled a visit to Westcom, where he was able to personally spend time with each and every one. And after that, it came out already that he made the determination himself already in spite
Pero
of the
kawawa pa
NMC.
yata si ES dyan dahil
Yes, ma'am. I think so because
ano ba nangyari dyan? Parang walang proper verification, sinalang siya sa presko, nagsalita siya, ngayon linalaglag ng lahat. Anong klase yun?
Can you imagine? Si Bersamin, sa Chief Justice daw at
Not
parang
sure of his facts.
hindi
Chief
daw
Justice.
sure of his facts, Chief
Ha?
Justice. E.S. Bersamin, lulukukan itong si Teodoro. Parang wala kang kwentang primus inter pares. Wali ka taking certain of your facts. Nakakahiya.
For a former Chief Justice.
Oo, nakakahiya na sinasabi ni Teodoro, nakakahiya ka sa publiko. Hindi mo ginagampanan ang tama na ikaw pa naman ang pangulo ng lahat ng mga cabinet secretary.
You're like the little president.
Oo. Tapos, ini-insist ni Ginang Aimee na sinungaling ito si Teodoro. Napakasinungaling mo, Teodoro, sabi ni Aimee. Kasi, unang-una, nagsabi na si Browner Ha? Oh, tapos ngayon, sasabihin mo, hindi nyo pa alam, kailangan pang can you imagine, paring Ado?
Oh.
Sila yung sinwelduhan.
Sila yung hands-on.
Sila yung hands-on.
Oh.
Ha?
Pero kailangan gumawa pa sila ng version.
Kailangan pa, hintayin pa na si Marcos pa ang mag-usyoso sa mga sundalo para malaman yung katotohanan. Where can you find such nonsense? Ha? Saan mo magkukuha yung isang DND secretary na ganun ang kukote? Ha? Kailangan mo pa bang hintayin yung... In fact, it should be the other way around. Ikaw dapat, ang maggagampanan mo dapat ang trabaho mo na ikaw ang magsusuri sa mga sundalo para i-brief to ang Pangulo. Parang lumalabas pa kasi si Marcos na hindi naman niya trabaho yan, siya pa ang
Mag-brief sa'yo.
mag-brief sa'yo or
Ay, nako.
ihikayat ng move na alamin sa mga tropa mismo. Ha?